A new leak from the Italian media website HD Blog reveals the outlook of the Asus Zenfone 6, which is expected to launch during the Mobile World Congress or MWC in Barcelona, Spain, somewhere in February next year. Based on the photos and video leaked, the most prominent feature of the Zenfone 6 which is visible is its notch that has never been seen elsewhere. While the size and shape are reminiscent of the design found in many other devices, the notch's position is what has caused heated discussions online. Placed in the upper right corner, actually not in the very corner, the teardrop notch is surrounded by the battery and cell signal icons. Many claim it is nothing more than an eye-catching gimmick, but it is backed by supporters who think that by blending in with the battery and signal bars, the far right placement will make the notch less invasive. Besides the notch, the video and photos show features including dual rear cameras and a fingerprint sensor, as well as a mirror glass back cover and a metal frame. What is also worth noting is that the device features a USB Type-C port for charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack as well, both at the bottom, a combination that is rarely seen in today's smartphone trend. This is all we have, at least for now, and we'll be coming back with more. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.